Hello, today I am going to talk about the Perfect Shape Full Coverage Bra brought to you by Victoria, and it is by Victoria's Secret. I love this bra so much, and this one is actually brand new. It's on the floor, so it's a little dusty, but it is brand new, and it is an amazing bra. I always get this one. I like to have this one in my closet, kind of as part of my closet essentials. I think it is essential to have a nice black bra that you can wear with any outfit, and this one is the one. So for me, I have a 34 triple D, and that should tell you right there that it comes in various sizes. It's very hard for a lot of people to find bras in their size, especially when it gets to those triple sizes. And that is one of the main struggles that a lot of women face when they have to go bra shopping, and their body type isn't necessarily like everyone else's, or the average. I'm not going to say that. I'm very body positive. Anyway, so this is an amazing bra. It's very soft, great material, and it provides so much support. It is lacy, so it has kind of an interesting look as opposed to just being solid black, and I really like that. It adds a little pizzazz. There is a small bow here, and that makes it a little cuter in my opinion. The straps are adjustable, as you can see, and you have 3 clasps on here instead of just, there we go, 3 clasps instead of just 2 or 4. So that's a pretty good amount of support and coverage in the back. What I like about it is it is a demi cup, but it's full coverage. So it really still looks beautiful, and it prevents spillage. And if any of you have ever worn a demi cup or try different types of bras, a lot of the time there's spillage, and it doesn't make you feel very good. So a bra should really make you feel confident, and it definitely does this, like, for me. So that is why I'm so passionate about talking about it. So it definitely is nice to wear with any outfit. Black goes with everything, but even just to feel confident even when no one sees it, it's very nice. It's also it doesn't dig into your skin, which is nice, something that a lot of women face. And there is padding here and an underwire. So if you need a lot of support like I do, then this is perfect for you. I do like the frill here, kind of the laciness, even on the ridges, and so that's really nice. Now remember, your bras should be replaced every few months, so don't, neglect that. But I also never put my bras in the dryer because that can really damage them, and try to hand wash them if you can. It's the summer and all, so I understand. You do what you have to do. It is made of polyester, mostly made in Vietnam, and it's a very sturdy bra, very durable. The reason I replaced it was because I wore it for so long, way longer than I should have, honestly. And I wore it for about 8 months actually. And you're supposed to change it, I believe, every 3 months. But, there is definitely no sagging or any type of back spillage of any kind and bulges. And that's something I really appreciate. It definitely helps accentuate, my assets. So that's a good thing. I'm always for that. It definitely goes with most cuts, like necklines, and it's just a durable, comfortable material. I could even wear this on an airplane, like an overnight flight. I just feel like it's just such a nice fabric. And this is definitely elastic, but it's also very firm, so it's not sliding up and down your back. There is no front closure, which I like because I am not a fan of front closure. I find it to be a little tacky, and for me, it doesn't give me the support I need often. I've yet to find a bra with front closure that I really enjoy and really get something out of. It's very lightweight. It's by Victoria's Secret. And Victoria's Secret is really one of the main companies that distributes bras and lingerie and different types of undergarment. So definitely, if you're looking for a new bra, check this one out. They have so many different colors, so many different designs. It was so hard to choose, but like I said, I like the classic black, lacy bra. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it inspired your confidence and enabled you to go get a brand new bra.